Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T Mike here in South Louisiana, making a video today of restore number 94. It's a 1969 9.5 horsepower Johnson, taking her for a spin out in lovely Lake Martin. It's a light restore. Let's take her out and see what she does this morning. Alright, got her out here on the water. Let's see what she can do. We're out in lovely Lake Martin this morning. Hey! Great day to be running the motor. Here we go. She's definitely a beauty. A light restore. Got a free paint job on her. Restore number 95. 1969 9.5 horsepower. And this one is for sale. She does pretty good. Runs my 14-foot Feathercraft John boat here about 18 miles an hour. Take it for another spin. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Remember, here at T Mike's, we're doing it one motor at a time. See y'all next video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here at T Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Merci beaucoup and laissez les bon temps rouler.